I get to cook dinner for 25 volunteers tonight, so what am I gonna do? I made pulled pork buns with coleslaw and pan-fried peppers. Here's the pork. Trying to keep it under $60. I'm gonna start with putting on my apron. Check out my A Day in the Life of a Happy Wife playlist. Always wash your hands when handling food. Like and subscribe. First, I'm gonna start by gathering all the ingredients. I will list this in the video description. I hardly ever use a recipe. I'm gonna put everything else to the side, and we're gonna start with the pulled pork. Putting in the food processor, the garlic and onion. Just used 1 onion, 5 or 6 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna be splitting this mixture with the pepper mix. Then I'm gonna put apple cider vinegar, mustard, a little bit of Frank's Red Hot sauce, pepper, salt, parsley, oregano, onion powder, tajin, and about a teaspoon of honey. Then you're gonna mix this all up and add it to the onion and garlic mix, and then spread it all over your pork. Let this marinate for about a half an hour. In the meantime, you clean as you go. It makes it a lot easier. Now the peppers were so easy. I just took that garlic and onion, a little bit of olive oil in a pan, and fried the peppers. I put the pork in the Instant Pot for 1 hour, and then I'm gonna move on to the coleslaw. I always wash this. Comes in a bag and you don't know who handled it. Wash your produce. In the food processor, I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of mayo, a handful of basil, salt and pepper, apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of water. I found that this was a little bit too runny, so you'll see me add about a half cup afterwards to kind of make it a little bit more thick. I decided to put apple in this. Sometimes I like to put sunflower seeds in there for a little crunch. Not everybody likes raisins. It's good just to keep it basic. I also added a little bit of honey for a little bit of sweetness. While I waited for the pork to complete, I decided to cut the buns. Clean space makes an easier job. You're gonna let the meat do a natural release of at least a half an hour. I find that this makes the meat more tender when you're using an Instant Pot. Oh, yummy. Time to shred. Now is my favorite part, is to sample the goods. I really liked this dill pickle mustard that I found. It was a big hit with all the volunteers. And how would you like your bun? Would you put the coleslaw on the bun and the peppers? Would you like it with barbecue sauce or mustard? I preferred the dill pickle mustard. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.